Yeah,
you do. Yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube video. Today is Sunday. I'm blessed, and today I have some friends. One of my Nigerian friends was helping me to cook, teaching me how to cook Egusi soup, guys. So please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see how Egusi soup is done. So first, what we've got is a red meat here. This red meat, we put Maggi cube and we put red onions. These red onions was put in. So some here. So that's the red onion. So it's boiling. So you have to let the meat to boil. We covered it up. And then the next thing we have is palm oil. It's a red oil. So yeah, this is how we're gonna use it to cook the food. Then we got the egusi itself. Egusi is made of a pumpkin seed. Is basically the flour of the pumpkin seed is grinded. That's what we call it egusi, but a lot of Nigerians they use it. And then we got this is the red pepper, really hot. This has to be blended to put in the food. And there's a tin tomatoes, okay guys? And then we got this fish. Most people know this fish anyway. I don't know, you put it in and you make the stew really nice. And then the last thing we have is the dry fish. This is a cut fish. You have to soak it in first and to make it like soft, then you break it before you use it to put in your stew. And then the last thing we've got is a black beans. This is more like a Spanish, and in Africa a lot of us eat it, mostly in East Africa. So please guys, this is a part 1 of the video. Stay tuned. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like this cooking, and if you enjoy cooking. For me, I enjoy cooking on a Sunday. So be sure to like, share, subscribe. There will be a part 2 where you will see how the food is cooked as well. So stay tuned. Love you all. Okay, bye bye.